Hello guys, welcome to the new session Maths with Mallesh, and today we are going to solve 5 quadratic equations. First set of 5 quadratic equations, and next episode we are going to solve remaining 5 questions which are of different levels. And my humble request, if you are new to this session, please watch introduction to the quadratic equation. If you watch introduction to the quadratic equations, then only you can understand what I am teaching. Otherwise it is little bit difficult to understand what terminology I am using, what is sum of the roots, what is product of the roots. So my humble request, first watch introduction of the quadratic equation and then come into the episode 1. And without making delay, let's get into the topic. See, this last term. What is the last term? 15. 15 we call it as a product of the roots. So you can write product. What is product of the value? 15. Now here minus 8 is there, minus 8x. So every example, which symbol is there, take it reverse. Take it reverse. So sum is equals to minus 8 reverse plus 8. Clear? These 2 points are very important, and there is no need to write product and sum. You can write P and S. Now here product. What is product value? 2. Which symbol is there? Same symbol you can write, and which number is there? Same number you can write. So product is equals to 2. What is sum? Sum is equals to, here minus 3 is there, take reverse. Take reverse. So positive 3. Now coming to this one. Imagine two numbers. Two numbers you have to imagine. Their product should be 15, sum should be 8. उसका multiplication 15 और उसका addition 8. అంటే మనం 2 numbers assume చేసుకుంటాం. సో దాన్ని product వచ్చి 15 రావాలి and sum వచ్చి 8 రావాలి. 5, 3, yes. 5 3s are 15, perfect. And 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. And this habituation you will get after doing so many examples. Now here product we want 2, product multiplication 2 and sum is 3. What are the options? Y is equals to 2, 1. Am I correct or not? See, 2 1s are 2, perfect, and 2 plus 1 3. 2 1s are 2 plus 1. Check. 2 1s are 2 absolutely, and 2 plus 1 3. Now this is the process of finding x comma y. Now almost 60% work is completed. Now what is the next step? We have to find the x greater than y or x less than y or x greater than or equals to y or x less than or equals to y or option 5. Now first x value completed and y value completed. Now what you have to do? Take x and y. X value bigger number right here. What is bigger number? 5. And what is smaller number? 3. Clear. Next y value 2 is the bigger number and 1 is the smaller number. Now give rankings according to the value. What is biggest value? 5, 1. And what is the next number? This rank is 2 and this rank is 3 and this rank is 4. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 we already discussed. 1 2 3 4 is x greater than y. X greater than y. Why? Because x occupied 1 2 positions and y occupied 3 4 positions. So x greater than y. And in this episode we are going to solve 5 questions as we discussed. And in 5 questions, 1 question with the option 1, 1 question with the option B, and second question with the option C. We are going to solve each and every option and each and every. Next question. Y square minus 13y plus 36 is equals to 0 and x square plus 9x plus 8 is equals to 0. And this one, answer is x less than y. Y is always greater. Very simple. There is no need to do process also. We can say x greater than y. Let me tell you full process and then we will solve shortcut also. What is product value? Product value 36. 36. As it is, what is there you can write. And what is sum value? Here negative 13 is there. So sum value positive 13. ठीक है. Next, what is product here? Product value 8. And what is some value? Some value here positive 9 is there, reverse negative 9. थोड़ा दिमाग use little bit brain. Multiplication 36, positive 36 and sum 13, and here product is 8 and sum is negative 9. minus 8 comma minus 1. Am I correct or not? क्योंकि उसका एडिशन -9 और उसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन +8. -8 into -1 is equals to +8. Next -8 -1 addition -9. Perfect. So x values are -8 comma 9. Clear? Perfect. You want one more explanation? Wait. Product 8 or sum negative 9. The numbers are -8 comma -1. क्योंकि -8 और -1 का एडिशन -9 और -8 और -1 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज +8. सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीटेड. नाउ अभी इधर देखो, प्रोडक्ट 36 और सम इज इक्वल्स टू 13. 9 comma 4. Perfect. Y is equals to 9 comma 4. Let me check. 9 4s are 36. Perfect. And 9 plus 4. Check. उसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन 36 और उसका एडिशन भी 13. Perfect answers. So y is equals to 9 comma 4 and x is equals to -8 comma y. Now write as it is. First, x value bigger number and then smaller number. What is bigger number? -1. And what is next number? -8. Perfect. Next y value 9 and 4. Now what is next step? We have to give rankings. In this सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन है? Very biggest number 9. Next 2 and then next 3 and then next see 1 2 3 4. These are the positions. First position, second position, third position, fourth position. Who occupied first position? Y. Who occupied second position? Y. Who occupied third position? X. Who occupied third position? X. मतलब Y is always greater. बराबर? So answer is X less than Y. मतलब X less than Y means option 2. So whenever you got ranking as a y y x x, it is x less than y. And how I did without doing anything? Because here product is 8 and sum is -9. So definitely roots are negative roots. Roots are negative roots. छोड़ दो, values छोड़ दो. 2 roots are negative and 2 roots are positive. Here negative roots and here positive roots. So positive roots always greater than negative roots. That's why y is always greater. That's why answer is x less than y. So option 2. Moving next question. X square minus 4x minus 21 is equals to 0, or y square plus 12y plus 27 is equals to 0. First product. What is product value? Which value is there? As it is right. What is the value? 27. Perfect. And what is sum value? Positive 12 is there. Take ulta. Negative 12. Clear. Next, what is product value? -21. Why? Because -21 is there. And what is sum value? -4 is there, so positive 4 will come. This is clear. 27 product and -12 is sum. And -21 as it is product and +4 is sum. Now this is the major part of the solving quadratic equations. And tell me or comment your values. उसका product 27 और उसका sum -12. When you multiply, you need to get 12. 27. And when you are doing sum, you need to get -12. First of all, 9 comma 3 are the options. And -9 and -3 are the original answers. How I know? Because -3 and -9. Check product. Pakka 27 will come. Minus 9 into minus 3, negative into negative positive, or 9 3s are 27. And check sum, minus 9 and a minus 3. Definitely minus 9 and minus 3 value is equals to minus 12. And coming to the x value, product we want minus 21 and sum we want 4. 7 comma minus 3. Let me check. 7 into minus 3. 7 into minus 3. 7 3s are 21 and negative. Perfect. Now addition, 7 and negative 3 addition 4. Perfect. So x value 7 comma minus 3 and y value minus 9 comma minus 3. What is x value? 7 is the bigger number and minus 3 is the smaller number. Now coming to the y value, minus 3 is a bigger number and minus 9 is the smaller number. 80% work completed. Now the remaining part is rankings. In this, what is big number? I think 7. And what is the next big number? Minus 3. The position of minus 3 is 2. And this also same number. So this also will occupy position 2. And what is the least position? 3. C. In this condition, option 3 or option 4 will works. Why? Because second position is shared by the x and y. And who occupied first position? X. So x, y. X is always greater than y. Why? Because x position 1 and 2 and y position 2 and 3. X is always greater than y. Perfect. And sometime it is equal also. Which position? 2 position occupied by the x and y. So x greater than y. How? 1, 2, 2, 3. If this is the case, x is always greater than y. 1, 2, 2, 3. Which option we have to take? X greater than y. These are very simple and just you have to use little bit common sense at this place. What are the roots and what is the ranking? Moving on to the next question. Next question, x square minus 22x plus 120 is equals to 0, y square minus 26y plus 168 is equals to 0. And there is one more method also to find roots of the y value and roots of the x value. That method is for the people who are little bit weak in maths. I will teach you that method also at the end of the session. Let me complete 5 questions in a original method. First, what is product value? 168. Without no doubt, write product as a 168. 168. And what is sum value? Negative 26 is there. Positive 26 is answer. Positive 26 is answer. Now here, what is product value? 120. And what is sum value? Negative 22 is there. Positive 22. Clear? Product value 168 and sum value positive 26. And here product value 120 and sum value positive 22. Negative 22 ulta and negative 26 ulta. Now, here and here you have to use a little bit brain. Little bit brain. I want 2 numbers. उसका प्रोडक्ट 120 और सम 22. एक बार चेक. 10 into 12 पक्का 120, नो डाउट. और 10 plus 12 22. खत्म. करेक्ट और नॉट? 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12. 22 is coming or not? Coming. And 10 into 12. 120 is coming or not? Yes, coming. So these things, it will give you somehow confusion. Coming to that, sum 26 and the product 168. Here, who will do in a 2 seconds, they will definitely get job. Who will do in a 5 seconds, they will not get job. Sum 26 and product 168. 14 comma 12. How it is coming? 14 plus 12. Pakka 26. Correct or not? 14 plus 12. Pakka 26. Next. 14 12s 168. Kel gata dukan band. X value 10 comma 12 and Y value 14 comma 12. This is X value and this is Y value. 80% completed. Now what is the remaining thing? Ranking. X, Y. What is X largest value? 12. And what is smallest value? 10. Next, what is Y largest value? 14. And what is Y least value? 12. Correct or not? Now give rankings. 14 will take first position. 12 will take second position. Of course, X12 also will take second position. And 3 will occupy by the 10. And if you observe, we got same ranking 2 and 2 for the X and Y. In this condition, option 3 or option 4 will apply. Ranking 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct or not? 1 occupied by the Y, or else X, X, Y, Y. What is X position? 3, 2, again 2, 1. Correct or not? Y occupied first position, Y occupied second position, X occupied second position and X occupied third position. 3, 2, 2, 1. If this is the condition, X is less than or equals to Y. X is less than or equals to Y. Option 4. In which condition? 3, 2, 2, 1. 3, 2, 2, 1. मतलब Y position 1 and Y position 2, X position 2 and X position 3. If you observe, Y is always greater or kabhi kabhi equal. Correct or not? So option 4. So we discussed option 1 and we discussed option 2, we discussed option 3 and we discussed option 4. And moving on to the next question and last question, that is option. See, fifth question and last question. X square minus X minus 12 is equals to 0. Y square plus 5Y plus 6 is equals to 0. What is product value? Definitely 6, no doubt. And what is sum value? Negative 5. Yes. Positive 5 is there, take reverse. Negative 5, clear. And what is product value? Negative 12. And what is sum value? Minus 1x. See, this is minus x. Minus x ka matlab minus 1x. Minus 1 is there, you have to take reverse. Positive 1. Clear? 6 is product and negative 5 is sum. And minus 12 is product, positive 1 is sum. Here, this is the major point where students will commit mistake. Product we want 6 and sum we want negative 5. Y is equals to minus 3 comma minus 2. Am I correct or not? ठीक है, checking करेंगे. Minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2. Minus minus plus 3 2s are 6. Perfect. Minus 3 minus 2. उसका एडिशन नेगेटिव 5. परफेक्ट. सो y वैल्यू minus 3 कामा minus 2. और इधर देखो, प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव 12 एंड सम पॉजिटिव 1. x is equals to, tell me what is the answer? 4 comma negative 3. 4 comma negative 3. How SAR is doing 4 comma minus 3, minus 3 comma minus 2? You have to do like this. Otherwise, you are not going to get any job. This comes under with a practice. Practice makes man perfect and woman also perfect. X value 4 comma minus 3 and Y value minus 3 comma minus 2. We'll see, checking. 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3. Definitely it is giving minus 12. Now coming to sum. 4 minus 3. Definitely it is giving 1 value. So 80% work completed. Now ranking. What is x big number? 4. Next number minus 3. Correct or not? What is big number of y? Big number. See, most of the students, they will think minus 3 is the biggest number. No. Minus 2 is the big number and minus 3 is the smaller number. Now give rankings. 1, ठीक है, 2, 3 and 3. Sometimes x is big, sometimes y is big. If you take x is 3, third position, y occupied second position. If you take x first position, y occupied second position. There is no conclusion. 1, 3, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First position occupied by the x. Second position occupied by the y. Again third position and fourth position combinedly occupied by the third position with the x and y. So under these circumstances, x is not equals to y. मतलब fifth option, there is no relation between x and y. So to find roots of the given quadratic equation, there is one more method that might be helpful for the students who are little bit weak in maths. Next episode I am going to teach you that also, and this is the exact process how you have to do quadratic equation. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and please join in our Telegram group. And the next episode we are going to come with a little bit tough quadratic equation, and then third episode another models, fourth episode new models. 8 episodes we are going to complete 40 quadratic equations. If you want to pass IBPS, RRB PO and IBPS PO, definitely quadratic equations 5 by 5 you need to get. 5 out of 5 pakka. And without making delay, I am signing off. Jai Hind.